If you need to cancel a pending transfer on NordVPN, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the NordVPN website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your NordVPN subscription. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. This area contains all your account details, including subscription information and pending transactions. Step 3. Locate pending transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the pending transfer. Click on the pending transfer you want to cancel. This action will typically open a detailed view of the transaction, providing you with more information about it. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the pending transfer. You may need to provide a reason for the cancellation or confirm your decision through a pop-up window. After completing these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to NordVPN's customer support for further assistance.